Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In today's video, we're going to go over how to use your Smart Power sliding doors in the all-new 2022 Kia Carnival. I have in front of me here an EX Plus 3.5 liter in Ghost Gray. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is make sure that feature is turned on. So from the 12.3 inch infotainment screen, we're going to swipe to the left. We're going to head into Setup, go to Vehicle. We will scroll down to Door, and we'll scroll here to make sure that Smart Sliding Door is activated. Now I'm going to head outside the vehicle and we'll see how it works. Okay, now we're outside. I have the key fob and I'm going to make sure that the vehicle is completely locked, and I'm going to keep this in my hand. So if you happen to have some bags in your hand from the grocery store or whatever, in this case I've got my phone and the fob in my hands, I'm going to walk up to the vehicle. It knows that we're nearby because the mirrors are going to unfold because it can detect the smart fob. It will then start to beep, and on the fourth beep the door is going to start to open completely. So now you can place your stuff inside. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching, guys. Please make sure you hit that like button and that you subscribe, and make sure to hit the notification bell so you stay up to date with all of our videos. Please go ahead, give us a follow on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. All of the links are in the description below. Thanks, guys.